What is responsible for the kernel to get stuck, well stuck along the shell, well stuck. From the stage of getting into the kernel formation, from the initial stage is still well formed. And over a period of time, as the water goes on getting evaporated out, or by efforts, having seen that water is evaporated out in the whole coconut, the shell and the kernel, they gradually go on getting separated out. And the whole kernel as a whole is separate. And you break the coconut shell, the kernel is whole, which are sold, and you bring them. Gota.
Dadaji, yesterday you spoke about Atman and Brahman, today Brahman. Now, you mentioned that Atman is the highest form.
Not that way. Not that way. Brahman, I explained as in by way of belief plane, state of existential being in every human beings. That is that way. Belief, body belief wise state, body belief by state is a Brahma state actually. Brahma means a creator, projector rather. That means whatever thoughts, thinking and project according to thinking and intellectual, all the activity within the body, you go on getting projecting. You go nice to the sleep after day's work. Everybody feels you are asleep, and everybody knows that you are asleep with your work wrong. And yet, within, the projection goes on. The creation goes on. The projection. That projector part is a Brahma part. And that Brahma part is a creator part in the sense that in the very presence of Atman, it is a power of attorney holder state of being on the body self. That is that state which comes into migratory state as a Brahmit state. Brahma, Brahma, Brahmit. Now, Brahma, if Brahma becomes Brahma, then Atma has become like that, migratory. No. Atma is total, Chetan is total. Atma as Chetan you have to understand. So these words, they play all the difference. Chetan, have you heard? Chetan, have you heard?
I've heard the word, but in what context?
Chetan, Chetan. Basic word is Chetan for Atman. Do you follow? Basic word. That's it. Brahman and Parabrahman and all these languages are Vedic culture languages. Word, verbal, that is the vocabulary. That is how it is. But basically, when we say Vedic, it is not something that we are ruling it out. No. It is also in the pursuit of the center, in this pind. All the Rishis, Munis were after the Brahman, Atman as Brahman. For them, in their body efforts, as they saw that in none of the body plane where belief-wise they can exist as Brahman for the realization of that Atman state and to reach that state. And that is how they progress further and further. And all Upanishad Udgaras based on that only, all wishes. You must be knowing Upanishads somewhat, whatever.
Yes.
So that way. If I read out some of them, it's very good. Each and every Rishi, the way he visualized and saw, utterances came out and that became the Upanishad. That is how. Number of Upanishads. But basically 12 or 13, whatever. Basic, main, today. Most of the philosophers, they follow. They are the little Rishis' inner efforts within the pind. Having returned back from outward efforts to inner, more and more, and towards the core, for Atman state. That is their effort. But it is difficult to reach for anybody. As I had told you, even in the time of Rama, Lord Rama, all these rishis and munis of such very high stature and all were there. None of them had this realization, no, on activities as rishi munis and renounced higher thoughts. Okay. But they are all relatively and related together, that's it. Except Vasishtha Muni. And Vasishtha Muni too, being very with total humility in spite of Maharshi, Brahmarshi, Maharshi, Rajarshi, Brahmarshi, Maharshi. You think? ये नारद जी हम समझते हैं ना, देवर्षि करके, ये तो mythological एक figure है. Actually, it is a human figure of a rishi, but a rishi with ruddhis, all the ruddhis, that can travel in space, etc., like that. You follow?
So you put Narad Muni and Vishwamitra ji, in the same, about the same.
No. How can no two human beings can be on the plane at all? Each and every on their own planes. It is not like that. No two human beings can ever be compared. No. Very difficult. Only thing that can happen is that the molecular structure of the body at the intellectual plane and the mental plane, the mind that is subject to thinking process, intellect that is subject to guiding light for everybody in the life. So basically mind is a thing that all molecular structure and all at that stage can happen. A number of human beings and even Rishis also among them and their class as announcers. And these are householders, followers. There can be groups and group of them with matching molecular structure of thinking processes. Not totally, but by and large. And therefore, they make companies. Otherwise, they cannot make companies. Those who do not match, they won't make companies with each other, let me tell you. And here, in for spiritual progress, a very subtle point I am telling you now. If you are very alert Atman, to be on the Atman side in this body, as it with total impartiality towards your own body. If you happen to come across somebody, he would approach you as a matching one to you and will talk and come and company and all that. And you will definitely have an inclination to have company and all that. Oh, nice, we meet him. I feel right. There, we should remain very well alerted from within for your own good as an impartial thinker. Impartial. Very alert. But this is no very, very subtle point. For ordinary human beings, for this to understand and stay is extremely difficult. I tell you. Therefore, in these times, you will always see the divisions. Guru Swami, do you understand? Or no?
I'm following.
A guru or a higher up with a large following also can have divisions. It's possible. Why? This is the reason. Everybody's acquisition of knowledge is the same. Ajna is that. Why differences? Ajna dharma here is all important. Guru Swami. If this Ajna dharma properly your resolve, come what may, Guru Swami, you are as per Ajnas. When the skies fall, earth break away. Whatever. If body has to fall, let it fall. But your Ajna, that resolve needs to be there. But Shuddhatma Bhagwan, Radha Bhagwan, please give powers unto Guru Swami for that. So that he knows that from the resolve. This is the basic point. In that case, in the whole world, no one can make you rather भेद बोलते हैं ना, किसी से भेद नहीं पड़ेगी आपको, किसी को नहीं पड़ेगी. Otherwise, as it is, world तो पूरा ऐसा divisive attitude वाला है. Captain, do you follow?
Yes, I do, but I have a question.
बोलो.
वो श्री वशिष्ठ को सिंगल आउट कर दिया as compared to
From other
the
rishis.
others.
Yes,
But the subject got deviated in the
that
process.
I was trying to tell Lord Rama. Maharishi Rishi was the only one as an impartial one. To be impartial is that what that is. Even greatest rishis also. Efforts are all the time there. And the extent to which they became, the Udghas came out, Upanishads came out like that. अगर आप उसमें जाएंगे तो ये आज्ञा है ना, आज्ञा का महत्व ही कर जाएगा.
सही बात है.
अगर मैं लाऊं आपके पास पढ़ूं ना तो आपको मालूम हो जाएगा. It won't take time for me, but I don't have the अगर मैं उपनिषद के कोई प्रमुख. Today here in foreign countries everywhere, our own people, householders, saints, and those in spiritual pursuit and in ekant or hilly tracks and having lonely abodes and there following their own way, having good command over language and all these things. Number of books can see that. Full world is flooded today. आत्मा बुक के अंदर नहीं है. That is why all the Upanishad Rishis, they were natural seekers. And all Upanishad seekers were that. But they were not full of no extent to which they could go. That's it. Vasishtha reached totally, but not on his own. Only after he got the divine vision, the drashti, from Jnani of his times, whom he happened to meet. He was there. But scripture and sector, this Sampradayik followings, they don't have all these things.
Would you mean that knowledge from scriptures एक किस्म से अधूरा ज्ञान हो जाता है?
No, not necessarily, but scriptural knowledge are always like that.
Like
because scriptural knowledge are not original knowledge at all. No, they are based on intellect only.
After that,
Over the period of time, additions, and they go on coming up. That's it. They can never come up. And this is the common knowledge.
so in other words, there is a human factor involved.
Always, brain factor, intellect. Any knowledge based on intellect is egoism based knowledge. Simple. Whole world knowledge you get together, whole world knowledge. And if it is at one source, even then, it is egoism based. And knowledge without egoism is the Jnana. That is right. निरंकारी ज्ञान को ही ज्ञान समझते हैं. इसीलिए तो impartiality of the mind. So Vasishtha, after that he became Jnani, and his state of a Jnani was responsible for Lord Rama to attain same divine vision. And with that divine vision, a higher state of Rama, right from birth, he was the Avatari Purush, and he was elected. That's all it is. But we see the human life, historical. Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, that is all it is. But Lord Rama, totally liberated.
So Lord Krishna in his human form, where did he get his divine inspiration?
From his brother, cousin brother, Neminath. He is uncle, senior uncle. They were 10 brothers. And whole Yadav Kul belonged to those 10 brothers.
But when sage Vyasa was repeating the Mahabharata to Dhritarashtra in a very
Sanjaya.
neutral, yes, in a very neutral manner, wasn't he also sadhu Muni who had attained inspiration?
No, that Sanjay Muni's knowledge was something like telepathy, we know that, no?
Yes.
It's not that precise. So it was not with divine vision, no. The way television is there, it is like that. It is possible. Even Rishumunis had that. They could have. It is called
दिव्य दृष्टि.
Avadhigyan. Avadhigyan is a material knowledge at a metaphysical plane, and it has vastness of knowledge. Lord Indra has Avadhigyan from his such a high source. If he puts his concentration for Avadhigyan to have a particular knowledge of a particular subject here on this Mrityulok, he can get it easily. That is material, metaphysically, is possible. But his range of that metaphysical Avadhigyan is so vast. So, different devas have different ranges. One may have a range of 1 mile. Within 1 mile they can see. Within 2 miles, 3 miles, 5 miles, like that. Avadhi Jnana it is called. Avadhi. Avadhi. Means what is beyond the scope of ordinary human beings. It is physical. It has nothing to do with Atma Jnana. No. Nothing to do. ये सब scripture है. Mythologically, there are so many dharma kathas and stories we know that there is no point in knowing all these things.
So that is why a common man is so confused, sir. I mean, everybody here, before he has had the opportunity to meet somebody like you, has been following some religion, some guru, somebody, I mean, throughout his life since he was born. He was born, he may have had the liberty to change religion out of choice once he's attained majority. But when someone like yourself comes forward and tries to explain that religion notwithstanding, your followings notwithstanding, there is a scientific aspect to everything. It will take a little time or more than one sitting to be able to grasp it.
Automatically, Guru Swami, this realization of self has nothing to do. It is not coming in way of anything, of any activity of human being. Whatever he was doing, or he may be doing, no, it has nothing to do. That all activity is a vyavahar. Vyavahar means relative. It is in the field of relativity. All field of relativity and relative living is sapeksh. Sapeksh you all follow. Theory of relativity.
Theory of relativity, yes.
In Hindi it is called sapekshvad. Sapeksh. This small line is smaller with respect to this big line, like that.
Is relative.
Relative. And my train is standing, and just at quite time, and I saw the other train that was there, it was moving on the opposite platform, and it started moving, and when the compartments, oh, or we have started moving, okay. The other fellow said, no sir, the other train has moved.
For a moment one does feel like that.
You feel momentarily.
Same
When
thing.
you park at the signal
This
also.
theory of relativity, Einstein revealed in this fashion only. But it was on a plane from global and outer space and all that way. You see? And he applied this theory in a different way. And he went on time and space relation, which they could not go much further. But even then, they could say that, oh, it is going further and farther, and the universe is expanding and expanding and expanding. And so many theories there, so many. Every few, some time is elapsed, and the theory will come like that. You see? But scientists never claim that we are final. That is one good thing about the scientists. You will say that. Even for black hole theory also, that scientists have said like that. You see his statements.
Yes.
He has said, mind is not that funny. I do not mean to say that way. Generally it is understood in the world that this black hole theory put up by this Stephen Hawking, no?
Yes.
Is like this. No, it is not like that. So it happens, common plane when it comes, it's a different thing. Scientists are just we are searching, that's it. Probability.
Science is theory of probability.
That's it.
Keeps you mentally alive.
Dharmuji, ऋषि धर्मुजी, ऋषि
क्या होता है?
ऋषि मीन्स ये कपड़े निकाल लो और जब्बा लगा लो.
ऐसे ऐसे आप बोले तो
भगवान जब्बा
बाकी बात करो, बाकी निकल जाए, निकाल तो दिया है.
ये तो बताना पड़ेगा. Electrical body, without electrical body, nobody can ever function. It is common body for all living forms.
What's the question, sir?
इलेक्ट्रिकल बॉडी कहाँ से आया इस शरीर के साथ? इट इज कॉमन. इलेक्ट्रिकल इज मेड बॉडी, दैट्स ऑलवेज. इट लास्ट टिल योर अल्टीमेट लिबरेशन. द फाइनल बॉडी जब आता है, एब्सोल्यूट हो जाते हैं. एब्सोल्यूट हो जाने के बाद बैलेंस लाइफ स्पान पूरा होते ही सोल टोटली लिबरेटेड हुआ, तो योर फ्री फ्रॉम टिल दैट इट इज. तो उसको कोई तो है ही. इलेक्ट्रिकल बॉडी सबका शरीर चलाता है, सारा इंटरनल एक्टिविटी. वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, आई टेल यू, मोस्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स. यू कैनॉट रियलाइज. ये रिफाइनरीज वगैरह देखो, hundreds of them put together cannot compare with this body. इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स है inside. And these and इतने में तो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है. Very. So these doctors are more famous. They are very famous. Very famous. And then come heart. Then comes stomach.
What about holistic healings जो कहते हैं कि भाई रेकी वगैरह, is it the electric body जो है वो उसका एनर्जी ठीक हो जाता है क्या? holistic healing आजकल काफी एडवर्टाइज करते हैं, जैसे रेकी वगैरह.
ह्यूमन बॉडी जो नेचुरल है ना, तो ये समय में कहीं कहीं ये सब एफर्ट्स तो बने ही रहते हैं. बट these efforts are toward all natural healing processes. They are temporary, all temporary.
Because success, the income हो गया.
अभी वो people ये बोले it's a general talk about these things.
Not so effective. Not so effective.
See, धर्मो और धर्मो, you stay on धर्मो.
No, this is like changing times. Fashion की तरह होता है. कल तक तो आपके वास्तु शास्त्र चल रहे थे, आज फेंग शुई हो गई और कल रेकी आने वाला.
पर कैप्टन साहब, मैं ये बोलूं, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता कि why should we let our body get mortgaged?
Very good question.
मॉर्गेज आउट कर लेते हैं. बॉडी की इतना है कि मॉर्गेज आउट कर लो. ऐसी बात करते हैं जैसे अपना नहीं है, बॉडी का संभालो, बस हो गया.
तो कायदे से व्यवस्थित शक्ति होने के होते हुए हमें किसी और शक्ति की कायदे की जरूरत नहीं.
Normally we talk like that. Other people do. What is doing like that? They have done all this. So by your ऐसा बात करते हो, खाते तुम हो, ब्रीदिंग तुम करते हो, सुनते तुम्हें हो, ऐसी बात क्यों करते हो भाई? तुम अपनी बात करो ना. Question should relate to your one's own self. Basic. सारी गीता किसके ऊपर है? Is based on what? Is on path. How it is centralized on path. That is how individual, most important. And always your revelations regarding your queries and questions come in question answer sessions. Always. Unless questions come from core, relating to your own body, selves. You see, from within, the revelations cannot come.
Dadaji, I'd like to ask you a question. And I suppose this applies to a lot of other people too. I very often get these extrasensory perceptions.
Deja vu.
Deja vu. You know, I'm in a totally new place. And I get this feeling I've seen this place before.
It can happen. You see, Chitta Shakti, I told you, Chitta. This telepathy, extrasensory perceptions and all these things, these are all on physical planes. and it has nothing to do with our pure soul or Atman. No, nothing absolute. All are pure souls. But this ESP and telepathy, etc., sometimes distance, talking with distance, and so many things people say. And from that, many stories also come out. It's a human nature, basically. But these are all metaphysical things can happen. It can happen. But they are all out of karmas. It's karmic happening. Simple. Do you understand? It has nothing to do but to stay on your realized state. Nothing absolutely. It's file. Corresponding. Shall I tell you in one word? Would you like?
Yes.
Would you mind?
No, not at all.
You? Sure. You please tell me, otherwise I won't tell.
No, please go ahead. Please be frank.
Only one word I will tell you.
Yes.
Mind you, the Sara life is nothing but just Hisab. Hisab, will you understand? लेन देन बोलो, लेकिन हिसाब बोलो रखो तो बड़ा मजा आएगा।
ये किसका हिसाब है?
मैं बोला हिसाब life. And when I tell you,
Yes.
whom do I tell? Whom do I tell? Guru Swami.
Yes.
So Guru Swami should understand.
No, I appreciate that. Now, I'll go back to another point. Now, the Buddhists, when the Dalai Lama was appointed, he of course is a bachelor, and the new Dalai Lama, all the Buddhist monks get together and they choose a young boy who's 7 or 8 years old, who they believe is God incarnate, and they train him. And Dalai Lama, from one Dalai Lama to another, is always a young boy who's trained, who they believe who has got a divine revelation. And now this new young boy who's just escaped into India, he can remember his previous births. You have a youngster who's 10 years old who can go back several births.
What do you want to convey?
The point I'm trying to convey is that this revelation
What revelation?
that people get,
What revelation?
Remembering previous life.
What remembering? What benefit? अभी क्या फायदा है आपको? और किसी को फायदा है? जिसको फायदा हो ले ले। आपको फायदा है?
That is the bottom line.
That could be
It is
motivation.
not wrong, I say. पर फायदा क्या है? अगर आपको आपके previous life जानने में, what do you think? What will be your situation? Do you realize? आप just सोचो। और ये एक ज्ञान मिला है ना, आज्ञा, तो मेरा फ्रेश बर्थ हुआ है, ताजा बर्थ वाले हैं, तो ताजा बर्थ वाले थोड़े नाजुक है, ये तो इस तरह से अभी रोन है।
दादा, अगर पास्ट को याद करने से कुछ नहीं मिलता तो कल के दिन तो आज पास्ट हो जाता है ना।
मोमेंट पास हो जाती है।
नहीं, आप जब आपने ज्ञान दिया है और अपने आइंदा के बेहतरी के लिए ये ज्ञान इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा, लोगों को इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। तो वो जो इस्तेमाल करके आइंदा का जो जीवन आने वाला है, आते जन्म है, वो बेहतर या सुंदर होंगे, यहाँ लिबरेटेड होंगे, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए भी तो आज पास हो जाता है ना। फिर हम आज को याद करके क्या करेंगे तब?
नहीं, मैं क्या बताता हूँ कि समझो दादा ने जो आपने बात की और एग्रीड, बट व्हाई डू यू टॉक? फॉर हिम इट इज ओके, व्हाटएवर, लेट हिम बी 6 years, 8 years, or whatever. He is, what of us? Straight question. Questions should be like that. Guru Swami.
Thank you, sir.
Mind you, see, I will tell you one. महात्मा गांधी थे ना अपने, महात्मा गांधी, we know him the way he was. ये तो मेरे समझ से उनके 3 गुरु थे, गाइड्स। स्पिरिचुअल गाइड थे वो अपने इंडिया से थे। गाइड इन द सेंस he considered himself not openly, anybody knows, but from his that book one can come to know. He has written about that. He got full guidance spiritually, spiritual guidance from him. And he was Srimad Rajachandra. Srimad Rajachandra happened to be about 125-30 years before, contemporary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Before, or he was just 2-3 years older than Gandhi. इतना difference था, ज़्यादा नहीं था. They were same contemporaries. So while Gandhiji was in South Africa, and after being barrister and he was there, and the experiences he passed through, very bad experiences, such a young age of mid-20s, and the way he felt about our religion and culture and all, the way our people were believing, what sort of people are we? Are we rotting? We call it our culture. You don't care for anybody in your culture. You sort of condition your, since when you are staying in these places. So, that way, he was influenced by this Christianity, sir. And he was disturbed terribly from the beginning. Gandhiji of his intelligence. And immediately it came to his mind. And he was on the verge of converting, getting himself converted to Christianity. But immediately it occurred to him, oh, let me put my queries to this poet, Kavi. He used to call him Kavi, because right from the age of 6 or 7, he was a born, very highly educated person, Srimad Rajachandra. Recent. He was born in Saurashtra, Gujarat, and he passed away at a very tender age, in the 34th year. And Gandhiji put down questions, almost 25-30 questions, something like that, and immediately dispatched to him at India and sought his clarifications that I have all these doubts about religion, dharma, regarding Vedanta, and all these things. They are wonderful questions, I tell you. Each one of them, if we read out and all these things, then you can realize more. अब हम बात करते हैं ना, you can understand. तो उसमें हमें भी importance मालूम होता है. And he answered all those questions in such an impartial way, not negating any of his queries that he put, but clarifying each and every query very positively. Very positively. And that made him change his mind that no, our culture is the culture. That's all. This is not it. But he used to believe him. And then he has written in his book also that I know this gentleman, that he has such a deep experience of his Atman within him, and He has not said or written a single word. Pointing to anyone. That is to say this or anything of this sort. No. Only certain later communications that happened in his life, there came out that such a book is there. Basically, 5-7 were there with whom large communications had happened, and then smaller ones. But total, all the communications were gathered together after his demise. And then they are put together in the book form. They are there. And today, in India and abroad, the followers of Rajchandra, all around, they are large. Then Rajchandra, at the age of 7 years, when an elderly person, middle-aged one, neighbor, he used to play with him and all that. And just suddenly something happens, and just in a matter of 2 or 3 days, one boy wonders what they are doing, why they are running, what is this, all these things. Such a tender age. So he just asked, what are you? And he just went and he was trying and they were putting on that and they were tying. So what are you doing? Why are you doing all these things? He said, oh, don't come. He has died. What do you mean by died? That child asked. So that fellow understood that he will get scared. So he was removed from that place. That he will be away, nothing. So he was taken away and given to care, and all everything went on, and instructions were given that let him be here only, let him not follow, otherwise he will get scared and all this. So they went to the cremation place. But somehow he slipped and he was very curious. What is this? I was playing in 2 days. What are these? और बोलते उसको जलाने ले जाते तो जलाने what do you mean? Because that way he was curious very. तो slip out हो गए somehow. हम जब गए ना थोड़े तो somehow slip out हो गए distance रख के was going behind. कोई जानता नहीं था चले गए. They went to the cremation place, and they made all preparations, and he was watching. Oh, and just he climbed over that bowel tree. क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Bubble tree. Bubble tree.
That bubble what?
Bubble
Tree.
tree.
Bubble tree.
Yes.
There was a small bubble tree.
Yes.
Immediately climbed over that carefully. Because if anybody sees him, they'll try and drive over it. So he went there. He was watching what they are doing. And he was the whole thing. He was so healthy. Just in 2 days, 3 days, this happened. What happened? And they are burning. So what happened? Body is burning. So what is body? What is soul? To that extent he went. At this tender age. So what is this? At that tender age, it went. Then what is this body? What is the body soul work? Like that. And in that thinking process at such a tender age, immediately, then who am I? What is this? And all these things. And in that course, it is revealed for him. He saw his previous, in the book writes that he saw his 900 lives. 900.
Previous life.
Yes. certain big one, all that. Not small. Those during which time. And he saw that he was, in the times of Lord Mahavir, he was there amongst the followers, and he was the smallest of them. And in the very presence, in the following, in the smallest lacuna of sincerity, lacking of sincerity, that means or not observing of such high stature, Mahavir who is there, God one. And the ocean comes, he says that even if he goes, we did not ask permission, sir, I am going. But with the Vinay karke nikal jate hain. That he missed. That's such a small thing. And because of this small mistake, itna bahut karna hai. Then what he, then one sees, that is given there. अब ऐसे हम सुने, but Srimad Rajchandra was a person of very high stature. He is recent, sir. What to talk about? Here. He is approved before magistrates and high court judges of Bombay and before white judges, that too. His powers. 34th year he passed away. He was Gnani. He was Gnani of these times. And Dada Bhagavan came to know in his 23rd or 24th year the book. And when he saw, he asked my father, is he, where is he? Is he there? My father said, no, he's not. Oh. My father used to believe when he was in Bhakti, because he moved about Srimad Rajchandra amongst all our villages there in Gujarat, Kerala district. From that on, Dada Bhagwan, in the heart, he believed him as a Gnani, but not as a Guru, because Guru is a Guru only when he is alive with body before you are surrendered. Then he is Guru. Otherwise it is Parampara Guru.
Constant interaction is necessary.
Yeah, exactly, like interaction. Guru is there only. Otherwise you accept by heart. There are 100 Gnanis put together. Bodies are different. Everything, all karmic structure is different. But the experience is the same in all of them. All of them. Atman experience. And as Gnanis, they are one, all of them. Not a molecule they differ amongst them. No. It is not possible to have such numbers, of course, as Gnanis. It's very difficult. You understand? Therefore, Captain Sir, Gnani बोलते हैं दादा, ये है तो काम निकाल लो, एक और अनन्य, in this sense. It does not mean that it is my soul power. No, not that way. It is not very rare to happen. It cannot happen at all. Very difficult, sir. To have a parallel. Do you follow? It's very difficult to accept. Understand also. Do you understand what I mean to say?
Yes, very.
No, acceptance one has to do. I mean, otherwise you, understanding comes after that. You have to first accept and then understand.
No, why? It must be graspable in our intellect also.
Of course.
It can be. It is. If then the two are not two, but they are one. But it can it ever happen? In these times, the time is full of divisions. But the vision can be the same, vision wise and all that. Here, Dada Bhagwan's follower during these times, tens of thousands got enlightened by, as in by of self-realization. And for years and years, he moved amongst everybody, and they are living in India, all along, all across, and internationally also. They are living fully amongst all the relative living. Wonderfully nice. You ask. Her husband is the international head, Tarunya. They are having number of motels there in America. Aram se चलती है. But at the same time, उनका experience है wonderful. All educated people and all, they are there. Of all this, of all the beliefs, huh? Not one belief, different beliefs. There are, दादा भगवान को मोहम्मदन मिले, पारसी मिले, हिंदू मिले, जैन मिले, all caste and creeds, कोई बाकी नहीं. Understand? Guruswami, you follow?
Yes, sir.
Why I am telling you this? That Vijnana is only Vijnana if it is non-controversial. Vijnana has to be non-controversial. And then it is called true dharma. Otherwise, no. Lord Krishna wants to convey this only. But let us put it apart. We talk our times. Our times. Dada Bhagwan said, I am Lord Krishna here. I am Lord Shiva here. I am Mahavir here presently. You ask anything and you get your answers. He used to say, if anybody of the scientific nature, scientific attitude, of open mind, who is with such an inquiry and all that, he comes forward. Even in the relative living, the world would have known this relative science also in such a wonderful way that one would have been wonderfully happy from within. My relative science, he says, even a grain could not come out. What he had, not a grain. Nobody came, कुछ ना निकला नहीं. क्या करो? पूछो जितना पूछो. नहीं निकल सकता है. दादा भगवान ने बताया कि जर्मन के साइंटिस्ट है, वो मेरी समय की कीमत करेंगे, मेरी एक एक सेकंड की कीमत लेकिन करोड़ों डॉलर के स्टर्लिंग करते हैं, कर सकेंगे. क्यों? कि वो साइंटिस्ट है सर्टन प्रकार के. He was used to it many number of times. और अमेरिका में कोई न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स मिले थे मुझे, दोनों मिले थे. थोड़े क्वेश्चंस भी हुए, थोड़ी टॉक्स भी हुई, but they cannot penetrate that elemental structure of the universe, world, etc. They talk, and दादा भगवान ने बताया सभी को, followers को, look here. And then he talked. He asked people, come on now, let us have this pada. Then pada started, 1, 2, 3, and the scientists cannot see more, no? And they are also busy in their own also. So they moved away. So after they went, दूसरे followers बोले, दादा, when they came, अगर सत्संग निकलता तो मजा आ जाते ने. क्या बात करते हो, आप लोग जानते नहीं हो. You don't know value of your own time. कितना भी मैं निकालूं, ग्लास के अंदर पानी जाएगा तो वहां जाएगा. It will remain, but it cannot penetrate. लेकिन अप्रिशिएट करें, बोलेंगे वहां से, उनको समझा सकता है। दादा भगवान बोलते हैं, मैं भारत का कोई चोर आया ना तो थक का खलास सब करा से आई एम डिफीटेड नाउ ऑल फ्रॉम ऑल एंगल्स एंड एवरी वे, आपको शरण आ गया तो उसको भगवान बना दूंगा। देखिए अमेरिका प्रेसिडेंट आया, कोई भी आ रही है, क्यों penetrate? क्या कर
Well, there is a mental blockage.
क्या करें?
Non-receptive.
नहीं, belief, plain is like that. You cannot penetrate. Our Punarjanma belief is of such a very good value. Very good value. दादा भगवान बोलते हैं, one can become advocate, one can become doctor, why not one can become God? ये तो कौन बोलेगा ऐसा? कौन बोलेगा? गुरु स्वामी।
नहीं, भगवान बनना कोई प्रोफेशन होता तो शायद कोई कोशिश भी करता।
नहीं, बिकम की बात आती है तो बिकम की, इसीलिए बोलते हैं बिकम। वो तो एक्सप्लेन करने के, गॉड इज अ डिफरेंट, समझने की चीज है। इट इज नॉट द स्टेट ऑफ बिकमिंग, यू सी, इट इज द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग। तो पद बोलो।
एक जन्म के लिए
ना एक जन्म महीना क्या है कि अभी ज्ञान ये जन्म में पाया है, नहीं ये जन्म में इसीलिए भोगी, ये भोग के लिए है ना, जब हम है तब हमें हाजिरी में है वो आज्ञा, इसीलिए पीछे तो आप है ही ना, आप तो लिबरेटेड हुए ही है, हाँ? आपको संभालने के लिए, तो ये भोग में आज्ञा धर्म से आप संभाल के, ये भोग जितना संभाल पूर्वक गया आज्ञा धर्म से, पुरुषार्थ में कि व्यवहार दृष्टि से मैं चैन हूँ, निश्चय दृष्टि से मैं शुद्धात्मा हूँ, वो सब, और बाकी की दो आज्ञा और छिल्ली वो सारा लक्ष्य में रख के ऐसे चले गए बरोबर व्यवहार में। तो फाइलों का संभव निकालों में बहुत सा आपका निकाला जाएगा, यही एक ही भाव में पूरा तो निकाल नहीं आता है, 60-70%, 70% तक निकाल हो जाता है। Very light balance is left with you, which is a very easy disposal, automatically on its own, and the circumstances that you get, और ये आज्ञा पालन से आपको पुण्य का, because from this very body there is no liberation, and because of that there is a causal formation, definite, but it is not a migratory causal formation, but a punyanubandhi punya causal formation that is responsible for you to lead you further towards your liberation stage. Do you understand? It's an adjustment. That's it. जो हमें 2-3 लाइफ में हमें एक पूरा हो जाना है, ऐसा adjustment in between. At most it can be 1 life. That is to say, ये आज्ञा पालन की सिंसियरिटी ऐसी हो तो इस ढंग से यहाँ से जो पुण्यानुबंधी पुण्य का प्रकार से कॉजल फॉर्मेशन जो होता है वो ये प्रकार का होगा, उसकी फैब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर वो माइंड स्पीच बॉडी की यूनिटी वाली इतनी आत्मालक्षी और रियलाइज स्टेट के साथ वाली होगी, अद्भुत, जो जहां जो काल चलता है और जहां इसी स्ट्रक्चर वाली सारी लाइफ है, श्रीमद स्वामी भगवान है, वहां ऑटोमेटिकली तो नेचर का प्रिंसिपल और नियम ही है कि ये प्रकृति वहां खिंचा जाती है और वहां जन्म पाते हैं। तो जिसके ये हिसाब में है तो वहां जन्म पाते सिमंदर स्वामी का दर्शन होते ही आपका एब्सोल्यूटनेस खुल जाते हैं, वहां जन्म पाते हैं, पीछे टाइम आते, बिकॉज तो उनका तो और भी बहुत आयुष बाकी है, काफी आयुष बाकी है। Follow? Our world is also subject to contraction and expansion like that. We talked the other day, no?
Yes.
Like that. but there it is constant of the world, same shape. It's a very vast world, very vast world. And the same sort of a life, human life. It is not that all are positive. वहाँ भी चोर है, सभी लोग हैं, everything. टाइम कितना फर्क है इतना कि यूनिटी फैक्टर इज देयर. जो यहाँ द्वापर युग में बना करता था वैसा वहाँ क्रमिक की बात आप समझ में आपकी ढंग से समझते हो, इस ढंग से नहीं समझता है. अक्रम मार्ग क्या बोलते हो? ये प्राप्ति है आपको, आपका बिना कर्मन आपको रखे साथ में होते हुए एक मिला है. ये अक्रम प्राप्ति है सीधी कि जवाब पहला और आज्ञा धर्म से बाकी का व्यवहार है संभाव से निपटारा हो जाता है. और अपनी अकर्ता पर शुद्धात्मा जो कर्तापद माने गए हैं वो सब खाली होता जाता है, उसमें वो संभाव निकल जाता है सब. और शुद्धात्मा का नोइंग सिंह परोपन होता जाता है. सिंपल है, ये सब विदित है. उसमें ये कहाँ लगाते हो तुम? ऐसा मत लगाओ. दादा भगवान जो निमित्त बने हैं ये काल में, ये बड़े ज्ञान अवतारी पुरुष, ये अक्रम विज्ञान के एक उद्गाता, ये आश्चर्य है, सबसे बड़ा आश्चर्य है. और उसके पीछे जो लिंक जितनी है इतनी चलती है, पीछे वही व्यवहार, वो विज्ञान काम में तो आता ही है ना. तो व्यवहार में सबको अगर सुखी होवे, इनर हैप्पीनेस होवे, इट इज गुड इनफ. इज वेरी गुड इन द प्रेजेंट डे वर्ल्ड. इट इज वेरी बैडली नीडेड. ऐसा कैसे कोई पूछते हो तुम? जरूरत है पता तो क्यों पूछा? चाय नहीं है, लेकिन क्रम अक्रम इस अपनी आपको समझे नहीं होगा. उसका दो एक दूसरे का ऑपोजिट नहीं है वो. यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो ये टाइम में एक एक्सेप्शनल बात निकला है. अदरवाइज ऑलवेज क्रम मार्ग ही चला रहता है टाइम का. तो लेकिन ये टाइम में नहीं है, तो उसकी जगह से ये बना है. और जिसका भाग्यशाली पुण्यशाली उसका काम बन गया, बना है, और कुछ है नहीं. कोई इंडिपेंडेंटली ऐसा नहीं बोलता कि मैंने किया और ऐसे किया, ऐसे कोई नहीं बोल सकता. आप समझे? हमने आपको ज्ञान दीक्षा का प्रयोग किया ना, हमने आपको कुछ नहीं दिया है. हमने आपको आपके अंदर कुछ डाला नहीं है. गुरु स्वामी, यू अंडरस्टैंड? आपके अंदर से कुछ निकाला नहीं है. फिर भी ये प्रयोग में अनुभव दशा के कारण जो बनता है वो कैसा समझेंगे आप? अध्यात्म इतना समझना इतनी आसान है? क्यों समझने की कोशिश है आपको? कौन अंदर मानता है समझने को? इंटेलेक्ट तो चालू है, तो उसको संभाव निकाल करो ना. वो फाइल है. फाइल शब्द हिसाब तो सब है. निपटारा निपटारा क्या कोमल बोलती है, ठीक है नहीं भाई? तू सब बीएससी फर्स्ट क्लास ऑनर्स के साथ दे दो. आपने क्या किया? अच्छा, तो कुछ बैलेंस शीट जानता ही नहीं, कुछ हिसाब वगैरह बिल्कुल नहीं जानता. तो क्या बात है? बिजनेसमैन तो कितना जानता है बैलेंस शीट बनाना नहीं जानते क्या? आनंद आता है पक्का. वो तो कैसे नहीं लगा रखा था यार, गाड़ी में चलाता ही रहता है, मजा आती है. सब्जेक्ट इस constant हिसाब is getting इक्वलाइज्ड, डिस्पोज ऑफ करता है। एक इतना वाटर वर्क्स है और ड्रेनेज नहीं है और डिस्पोजल नहीं होता तो कितनी हालत हो जाती है मेरी, कैसे कितनी होती हालत।
बहुत बुरी हालत
तो भी नहीं तो वर्ल्ड की क्या हालत होती,
है बॉम्बे।
वर्ल्ड की हालत क्या होती नहीं तो अगर डिस्पोजल नहीं है तो। अब एक एक व्यक्ति के अंदर और क्या है, सुगंध भरी है थोड़ी हाँ? लोग तो बोलते हैं तो सुविचारों हमें सब तरफ से हमारे अंदर आओ 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 बोलते तो है सब लोग, खबर है वो खाली हो जाए तो अच्छा है नहीं? अच्छा नहीं है? अच्छा है। और टू सी दैट बाय शुद्धात्मा विजन भी they are alert enough. हमें करना तो है नहीं, वो कर रहा है। चोर चोरी करता है तो वो चोरी करता है और अलर्ट रहता है, अलर्ट रहता है इसीलिए चोरी हो जाती है। नहीं तो वो खुद करता है तो नहीं होता। एक्सपर्ट चोर देखो आप, आपको क्या लगता है? आर्टिस्ट होते हैं चोर लोग भी, बहुत आर्टिस्ट बड़े। एवरी एक्टिविटी ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज एन आर्ट। भगवान हाजिर है ना इन द वेरी प्रेजेंस ऑफ इनफाइनाइट पावर, उनकी सब पावर ऑफ एटर्निटी रखे हैं। लगाते जाओ लगाते जाओ। किसकी बहन है? लगाओ चेक क्या पावर ऑफ एटर्नी है ना क्या?
इंडिया में 420 को 419 कहते हैं।
ऐसा है?
तो हम लोग सब वॉच करते हैं, सिग्नेचर आरोपित करते हैं।
कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी में जब चल रहा है सब चलता है, दुनिया चलती है गोल 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 मेला, जादू चलता है यहाँ चलता है। ओपिनियन नहीं है मेरा कोई जगह, नो नो नो, सी एज इट इज फिनिश्ड। उसमें क्या दिक्कत क्या है? एनीथिंग रॉन्ग इन?
Take it for what it is.
हाँ, see it.
And it doesn't even take effort.
हाँ, see it. लाइट दिखाता है उसमें क्या, लाइट क्या कर देता है? कुछ नहीं करता। अगर हमें गाड़ी चलाते हैं चलते हैं, रास्ता कितना ऊंचा नीचा दिखता है और कहाँ दुर्गंध वाली जगह आती है वो लाइट वहां ही जाता वो भी दिखाता है, और पास हो गए तो हमें स्मेल आती भी है। लाइट स्मेल वाली नहीं होती, होती बोलो ना तो विषय नाक चल लगाते चल लेते थे करते और अच्छा है। ओपिनियन मत दो, बस खत्म हो गई बात। जो है उसको जानो, ये आपका काम है, ये धंधा है, स्वभाव है। भगवत धंधा बोलते हैं उसको, क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, भगवत बैंक का कौन सा? हाँ, वहां फ्रॉड कैसे चलाएंगे आप? चलाना है? रिलेटिव पर रियल चेक लग लेंगे क्या करते? देखो शब्द नहीं चलता है, भगवान के नाम पर रिले में नहीं चलता है। करेक्ट कर देना चाहिए।